Welcome to Microsoft Excel training. When using Microsoft Excel, if you have a sales range, we use conditional formatting to find the smallest value in that range and mark it with some formatting. You can also think of conditional formatting as a kind of sleeper formatting, unlike normal formatting. If the condition is met, the formatting process comes into play. Otherwise, you have to do it manually one by one. Now we come to the conditional formatting in the Home tab that we need to do to find the smallest value to format the smallest value in our table, to combination formattings, from here top bottoms. Here I select the bottom 10 items expression, that is, the last 10 value expression. When I change the value here to 1 out of 10, let's select green, for example, in my table. It ensures that the smallest value is marked here. Now, if we need to use conditional formatting to apply this to the entire row, not just the cell, we cannot use this method. We need to use the new rule option below. For this purpose, look specifically, I am clearing the conditional formatting. I cleared the rules from the entire page. Without taking the headings, I select the entire table from under the headings. And from conditional formatting, we select the new rule from combination formatting. In the new rule window that appears, we select the face formula option at the bottom and come here. Now my formula that I need to do is in B2. It will start from B2. My sales values, because they are equal in B2. After typing in B2, you may need to press F and F4 on the keyboard if you're using a notebook. It can also happen when you directly press F4. We need to bring it to $B2 expression like this, equal. We call min, we open the parenthesis, and look, I'm holding this range with my mouse. When I scanned this range, the dose marks came up automatically. He made the fixing automatically. And let's go to the format section from the side and change the text color to white and bold. Let's choose green from our fill option. In this way, it will be green and white. When you press OK, we can easily see that the smallest value here is 214. And this belongs to Omer Saigin. For example, when you come to ECE Yilmaz and make one from here, the smallest value will change to 1, and this will be automatically marked as ECE Yilmaz. The new rule feature of conditional formatting, namely the nevrule feature. By using this method, we can find the smallest and largest values in the cell in our table and easily mark the row to which that cell belongs.